Today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to think about a pie chart in the IELTS. It's not about memorizing. It's not about copying a template. It's about knowing what to ask yourself. If you follow this step by step, you'll go from a band 5 straight to a band 7. Let's start with the first classic mistake. Let's go. Now let's move on to the second part here. Static or dynamic? The first question you ask yourself, okay? Here it's static. Why? Well, why is it static? Because it's a single year. So you're going to use the simple present. Don't talk about change, talk about comparison. Simple as that. Now comes the second step that many people get wrong. Let's go, okay? Looking here. Percentages and numbers, right? You're not talking about people. You're talking about percentages. That changes everything. If you say many people, if you start like that, many people, you've already started wrong. You need to think in terms of proportion. This here is academic language. Now let's organize ideas. What can you see there, right? Education, employment, job search, family, no reason, other. What do you really see? You simplify everything in your head. Don't get stuck on the complicated name of the chart. You organize it mentally. Study, work, job search, family, and others. This makes your writing more natural and faster. Now comes the heart of the answer. Largest employment. Always ask yourself, which one is the largest? So then here you can immediately see quite clearly that what we are looking at is employment. After that, what follows is education, then family, all in that particular sequence, and finally, job search. This order is important to note, as it shows the progression from employment to education, then to family, and ultimately to searching for a job. You're building your overview here. You have to build it in groups, right? Which ones are the largest to build the overview, okay? It has to be in a group. Now look at the second chart. Work dominates both. Here's level 7, band 7. You don't just describe. You compare now. You must compare. If you don't, your band score drops. Work in this context is the dominant factor in both. Study is significantly higher for immigration. Job search is also higher for immigration. Family is much lower for immigration. This is exam-oriented thinking. Now let's structure it, well structured, okay? Here you see it all applied. Okay, as you can see here, it's already a pie chart structure. Introduction, overview, details for immigration, and details for immigration plus comparisons. This is exactly what the examiner wants to see. Now pay attention to this. Method and vocabulary. The problem isn't English. The problem isn't method. If you don't know what to look for when you write, you'll write anything. But when you follow it step by step, the answer practically writes itself. Remember, the pen doesn't write by itself. You have to follow the step by step. Band 7 isn't talent, it's control, okay? If this helped you, save it to review later and follow the channel.